Today I'm going to be talking to you about Piktochart. So as you can see, I'm on my dashboard here, and this is what I made. And this is called an infographic. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. I am on my screen. This is still the editing screen, so this is where I can still move things around. And before I go into that, I chose to do something on giraffes because my students just wrapped up a research paper on animals, and I think this would be great for them to do after they were finished as a way to present their information that they found. So this is something that I would like to implement in the classroom, so I thought I would try it out for myself. So some features quickly, they have shapes, lines, photos. Here they have photos, you can upload them. They also have some here that you just type in and they will come up. They have a background you can change the text, the color schemes, and then they have tools so you can do charts, maps, and videos. And this background is one that they already had pre-made, so they have tons and tons of pre-made ones. All you have to do is input your own information, and then you're good to go. And it was super easy, super simple, and I definitely could see students using this and not having any problem with it. So I'm going to show you what this looks like if I were to share it with you. So this is what it looks like if I share it with you. And it's the same thing, just obviously I'm not able to edit it, but I want to show you a few features that I did here. So obviously I did giraffes. I was able to add pictures, and then I was also able to link. So whenever you go over it, you can see it gets a little lighter. That means that I've linked something to it. So if you click, it takes you to a YouTube video on giraffes. It hasn't been working though, so I'm going to just go ahead and X out so I can go back and talk to you more about what I did. So I talked about what giraffes eat. These are all things that my students had to answer about their animal. So I talked about what they ate, I talked about what they look like, and another feature they have, instead of linking it, you can put a video right on. So there's two different options there for you. So this one I can click and it will start playing, and this one will talk about what giraffes look like, and then it has a little bit more information on giraffes. So then, let's see if I can pause this. Oh, there it is. All right, let's pause that. And if I continue on down, I have where giraffes live, and then this one also links. As you can see, it gets a little darker as I go over it, and that one links to where I found the image, which was right here. If I scroll down, it showed me that image. It was talking about where to spot giraffes. So then at the bottom, it has a reference area. I'm able to put in my references. And another cool feature is the presentation feature. So if I click this, it makes it into almost like a PowerPoint. So students could create this, and it could look just like a PowerPoint as well. So it can look a few different ways, which is kind of nice. So I'm going to go ahead and escape out of that. And what this could look like as a teacher as well. Tiffany had created one previously, and just to show you a little bit, she has some graphs in hers, a few different graphs, and you can just input lots of information in various ways. So it's a very cool program to use. You could use it as a teacher, you can use it as a student, and again, it's very easy. And I would definitely recommend checking it out. Thank you for watching.